guys, Chad here from CNR Reviews. We got Ryan behind the camera. We're out in the woods today. I have the awesome Rock River Arms Coyote rifle here, 20-inch bull barrel. I'm running a loop-holed scope, an M4 scope, or I'm sorry, a Mark AR scope. It's got the Wilson Combat scope mount. This thing has been just awesome, guys. I'm going to go ahead and rapid fire it. We haven't really touched on this firearm as much as we usually do, so we just want to wrap the bids on it. So here we go. Fire. There you go. 20 round, guys. And you can see my little tag. I think when this gun starts going, that's about the case. So thanks for watching. You have a good day.